Dad?
This is the last door in the 2 bifolds?
Yeah.
Okay.
Here, Hank. Come here, I'll show you what we're doing. See what Joe's got going on here? Look, put these things in here. Make sure the bit's in tight and put some weight to it here. Put some weight to it. And go slow. See that noise? That's okay. Here you go. Let's go. Let's do. Get in there and get it gripped. And go nice and slow, okay? So go nice and slow. And see, just like that. That's what you want. Perfect. That's done. That's done. That's done. Grab this and go like this. You got that? So what we're gonna do is we're gonna walk over here. And you're gonna set that on here. Good? There. Walk over there. Awesome. Set it straight on there.
Right on top of that.
Perfect.
All lined up level.
Perfect, done. Nice and flat. Alright. Make sure it's on the
Looking good. Yeah, these are a little bit shorter, aren't they?
Yeah.
Okay,
Okay.
now.
Nice.
I see you're getting firm and slow.
That's a $29 power screwdriver from
Can't beat
Harbor
that.
Freight. You want yours? Okay. All right, because the wind's coming out of the north. So each time we do this,
Dad, won't it ruin the grass?
no, latex. One hand, twist, line up, flip, and go. Nice. Yeah. Keep going. Nice. That's good. Okay.
Because we don't
He just doesn't want me to spray because he's afraid that I'm gonna mess up his doors.
these rags come from. What's the plan?
Me and Dad are going to paint this wall. Wait, go just like that whole wall?
Yeah, we'll paint the whole wall.
Like this part and this part?
Yep.
Okay, so we're gonna paint that, and then once we're done with that, we're gonna run to Oak Harbor and let the paint dry. We're gonna get a TV stand we're gonna have a TV mount for this, and we're gonna hang it right here, and then me and Dad might stay the night. We don't know yet. But
Yep.
That'll be fun.
It'll be fine. Okay, so we got this bedroom is painted. It's green. It looks freaking sweet. We got the doors primed. All the doors primed. These are drying. Tomorrow he's gonna paint them. And then tomorrow also he's going to paint this room blue and this room like a pink. Before I leave today, I have to put blue tape where all the drywall repair is needed. You know, I got like little dings and stuff. So I have a drywaller coming this week, and he'll be able to fix everything for me. So the main thing is like these spots here under here. So then this is like a clean finish. So me and Hank are here today, and we're going to paint that one wall, let it dry, run to Oak Harbor, get a mount, come back, mount the TV, and then tape off for the drywall guy. And then we're gonna either head home or we're going to stay, get some more work done. I can move out all of our plumbing fixtures, like we got our hot water tank. I wanna move up the range and the dishwasher and everything upstairs so we can get like a good layout going, because I gotta start building cabinets. So we got this painted so that we can hang the TV, and it's, you know, we don't have to paint while the TV is there. We're going to run to Walmart and get a wall mount so we can hang this big fat TV. Boom. The level that they provide is at a level. I think the TV box still wins though. Sorry.
Oh, really?
Let's get